So the government, through the Ministry of Local Government, the Honorable Desmond McKenzie, has given the amber light. It moved from red. So the amber light for the restart of local football. Listen to this.
After consideration of the proposal, permission will be granted to the Jamaica Premier League to commence training in an organized environment.
You hear that? Training to be allowed under stipulated conditions, and then we take it from there and blah, blah, blah. But all things considered, including the continued spike in the COVID numbers, should the local football fraternity give thanks to small mercies and satisfy with what them get? Or should they continue to push hard for the resumption of the Premier League? I think the push should continue. I mean, horse racing is continuing despite the spike, while athletics got the green light during the spike. So again, in principle, football can be played under controlled conditions. It is untenable that local football players, coaches and support staff continue to suffer while athletics are gone. All champs are going to keep and horse are gallop over track. That amber light need to change to green. Yes. Amber to red to green. Green, yes.